shape of her hands is absolutely stunning. What more can I say? I really think you should draw it right away. I'm the best. I also brought a large diameter eyeball, Korean style. It's brown and translucent. Actually, this makeup is quite simple overall. We must oppose. The essence of creating a small circle is to first deviate from the center, the water light, and then extremely plump and full base makeup base. The shape certainly can't be made that narrow, but we can try to imitate the flat eyebrows that are characteristic of this face. Flat eyeliner, small straight nose, and plump lips. Before this base makeup, this step is exactly what we must do. The skin's natural radiance gives it that. We'll use this butter again. Makeup primer, it's old. It's moisturizing, yet has a rather refreshing texture. Watery texture means you don't have to worry about it being greasy. This foundation will adhere much better after use. This winter is incredibly dry. Lately, I can't do without him when I'm doing makeup. The foam makeup I used the other day was it hurt me. It only used twice. Look, it hasn't gone down yet, and he had those itchy and painful bumps. Use with caution if you have sensitive skin. This is why you see it absorbs immediately after applying. Very simple and fast. Then you must have this kind of nose tint. Apply a thicker layer to areas on the chin where makeup tends to cake and peel. Our Korean makeup, it requires base makeup. The requirements are quite high. This is a super large bottle. I don't feel bad about using it. My chin really got an acid peel. A bunch of them exploded. Acne is this kind of peeling skin that makes me laugh. It feels like it's about to crumble. If you didn't do your makeup properly, then this is the place. Giant card. I applied it for 3 to 5 minutes and felt my lung skin soften. We'll use this to wash our faces. You can gently wipe it off with a towel. The glow of my skin now. It looks so soft and smooth. It looks like a freshly applied face mask. Then it feels slightly sticky to the touch. This state makes my face feel very comfortable. Then let's deal with the generalization a little. My face isn't very red today. Sweet peach color to cover up these dark circles. Also, these bluish areas around the lips. Use purple to treat yellowing on the forehead. Color, then pat it open with your fingers. First, address this uneven skin tone. Adjust it all. Today, I'm using a light-colored, toothless foundation. Use a foundation brush to start your makeup. He spread it flat on his face. It's incredibly silky smooth. And this huge powder puff was used to pat him open. The color is a bit when applied to the face, but you can see it looks very natural after the photo is taken. If you do this before makeup, your base makeup won't cake at all. It was super fun to play. This foundation gives a very dewy, luminous finish. The makeup finish is incredibly clear and natural. Then, for highlighting, we still use a powder. White makes the skin tone appear more translucent. This is what our content pants and T-zone are all about. The highlight on the heel is still slightly lower. Then it looks very short overall. Brow bone area. For the new year, you should definitely use a little red pink puff. Give him a brief overview in our content library. You can see the color of the foundation by patting it around. Are there really a lot of visible scars? I'm speechless about this tear trough area. This tiny pimple made my tear trough look worse. It's become so obvious. Do you have any small brushes? Give it a little more fine processing. Okay, that's it. I've done my best. The color of blush is relatively. I found this 01 shade of vibrant nude orange. Wow, this color. It can be as tender as you want. Still using our slope. Use a shaped brush to dip. Small round blush applicators are generally used to apply blush to the face. The blush application technique in the pupil, the lower edge of the outer side of the hole here, slowly diagonally upwards past the nose and ears, blend down below the eyes. Half an ear should never extend beyond our nose. Let us turn around slightly. My entire skin. We put a little bit on each of them and then put it on the whole nose, head and eyelids. Let's add a little bit of the eye bag too. 3 minutes to lower lip line. My mind is filled with that comment section. Same appearance. We can add a tiny bit more circular motion here. Let's deepen this. This blush is just too pretty. The nose contouring technique involves making it more rounded. Add a horizontal stroke to deepen the nose tip. Upwards until the connection. Draw a small U shape like this. Then the bridge of the nose can be connected to the bridge. The bridge of the nose is still not emphasized. Apply a little bit of natural color to the eye socket area. My most prominent. Click here, we want to let it be collected starting from this point and moving onwards. walking to our hairline. Just briefly mention this area. This is how I feel about my bones. Tuck them inwards and use the other end to take the whole thing in. Enlarge the outline of the eye bags. This will make it easier for us to outline the shapes later. Tap, tap, tap to open it. Note that you should tap both ways. Please don't bring it to our highlight area. For point side analysis, we'll just use large. Use a brush to blend our blush. Connect the dots. We use brushes to set our makeup. The main purpose is to fix our eyes. The area under the lower eyelid that reflects light has an eyelid. S-T-I-R-R-I. It's oily. Press it down slightly. Some middle cheekbones. This glossy finish makes my face oily, and we use apply a light skin-colored powder to it. The small round eyebrows have a very delicate, misty look. For straight eyebrows, we first need to comb our eyebrows. Comb neatly. Then, for a misty brow look, you still need to use brows. Start applying powder from the middle of the brow line and then move it outwards. Draw a straight line. Try not to let the tail of the brow drop downwards. Pull him out horizontally. Go and then fill the gap. Fill in the missing part for him. Next, I will raise my eyebrows slightly. Extend forward a little. Slightly cover up the part of the brow that's turned up, then use a lighter shade of brow pencil to lightly apply makeup to the inner corner of the brow. Add a few more. Neat hairline. Let's shave off this little stray hair I've been raising for so long. That's the feeling. It's like being carefully, well, groomed eyebrows and eye makeup. Overall, it's somewhat biased towards this. We'll start with this light beige one. Thin color. Flat on our double eyelids. Adjust the color of your eyelids and then use this. Inside our double eyelids. Lay it flat on the side and transition upwards slightly. His eye makeup generally extends outwards, so our eyeshadow, when laying the sheets, also pull the glasses back a little. Also, try to postpone it as much as possible. To walk, use the middle one. Very small. Applied to the base of our eyelashes. The base of the lower eyelashes along the under eye area. We just built, let's deepen the shape of the base a little. It's the same width from front to back, just a little. The feeling of going down is actually the lower eyelid. A well-drawn atrium can significantly shorten the perceived size of our atrium. Use this to slightly brighten. The pinkish ones are lifted up from front to back with long. Let's also mention the inner corners of our eyes. Laser-assisted under-eye enhancement. We can proceed next. It's the iconic flat eyeliner style on canvas. Apply double eyelid tape to adjust the eyelids to that open shape. The shape of the fan is mainly due to the bud opening at the outer corner of the eye. Wait until the silk feels completely dry before opening your eyes. After applying the inner eyeliner, still the first half. The inner corner of the eye needs to be filled. Slightly thicker eyes make the eyes look rounder. Applying eyeliner still starts from the upper eyelid. Straight backward from the highest point. Hey, pull him out flat. The eyelids could be a little longer, Lan. We'll attach the last eyelash and fill in the inner layer. To the naked eye, it will be a rather thick triangle. The lines must be precise and smooth. Today, we need to slightly open the corners of our eyes to create a rounder shape. Let's moisturize a bit more or extend forward first. Draw a half downwards. The curved shape connects back to our lower eyelid. Even the bottom part uses this color. Down to the end. It connects to our upper eyeliner. While it's still wet, quickly get dizzy. Smudged upper mascara, or should I apply it like a K-pop idol? I'm going to put a heart-shaped sticker on my lower lashes. The last cluster at the outer corner of the eye is attached to the eyeliner.